Hi guys. So lately I've been loving this DIY cute clay fridge magnet, and yesterday I was getting bored. So I made some. I'm gonna show you one by one.